Okay, Unit 6 Test Study Guide, question number 19. 60% of the employees at a company are female. If there are 72 males who work at the company, how many total male and female employees are there? Okay, we've got an issue here. Again, and this labeling that I've been doing on some of these of saying, yes, it's the number that played a total and such, that plays into this. Again, labeling really helps you understand the problem. This is the percent we're given, 60% out of 100. This is the percent of the employees that are female. So what this means, if there are 100 total employees, 60 are female. And so if we start to try to solve something like this, we're told there are 72 males who work at the company. How many total employees are there? We're looking for the whole amount. The issue is, this is the number of males. It cannot go here. Okay, it really doesn't fit because that's the number of males and that's the percent for the number of females. We need to change our percent so that we can use our 72 males number. So again, if there are 60% of the employees are female, you can figure out the percent that are male by subtracting that from 100. So subtract 60 from 100, you come up with 40%. So there must be 40% that are male. We can now use this to answer this question because we can say that it is 40%, and that would be the male employees over the total employees. And we're looking for our total employees. We know our part is 72, and again, that is our male employees. We will be finding the total, and that is what we are looking for. How many total employees are there? Now we can work this problem. Cross multiply. You get 40x equals 72 followed by 2 zeros. Divide by 40. And you get x equals over here. Okay, I'm going to go to the calculator. And it is, I'll even type it in the way it was, 7,200 divided by 40. And I come up with 180 is the total number of employees. 180 employees. Okay, yes, there are 180 total employees. Okay, that's good enough for the percents with a twist problems.